crazy.
FBC that you talk to, they would say that half of the requests or half of the questions that they get are things that already exist, but people don't know where to find them, or sometimes even FBCs don't know where to find them, right? And so you can automate like a bulk of that. And these are all the questions about where, how, that already exist in the system. And the best part about doing this is any request that you're getting that does not exist in the system yet, you can now create a doc for that. And over time, you're not just reducing it by 50%, but you're reducing it by 60%, 70%, 80%. Over time, it'll just be 5% of those requests coming to you. One way that I like to think about this, and our team sort of talks to a lot of franchisors every day, and we try to coach them, especially on these support tickets, right? So if you look at support that owners typically want, they fall in three main categories. So one is when owners are asking just about where certain things exist, right? They just want to find where's this training, where's this collateral, where do I find this specific information? The second category typically is about how I do certain things, right? So that's more about how do I make sure that I've hired like a new bunch of people? How do I make sure that they don't churn? Or I'm running this campaign, how do I optimize it, right? Things like that.